Lachesis. This is a very important drug of homeopathy which is prepared from the venom of a surukuku snake. This belongs to Ophidia group. Ailments from long-lasting grief, sorrow, fright, vexation, jealousy or disappointed love. Constitution: persons of dark eyes and low spirit and indolence. Women of chlorotic temperament with freckles and red hair. Lachesis is better adapted to thin, emaciated than fleshy persons. They are drastically changed mentally as well as physically. Mind, mental excitability, ecstasy with prophetic perceptions, with a vivid imagination and great loquacity. Lachesis person goes on talking all the time. They jump from one idea to another idea, but they goes on talking. Even a one word leads to another new story for Lachesis. Generalities: menopausal complaints, hemorrhoids and hemorrhages, hot flushes and hot perspiration which happens during menopause. Burning vertex and headache is there in Lachesis. The headache is especially during menopause or after menopause. Women who have not recovered from the change of her life, or it is very well said in Materia Medica that she is never well since that moment or since that incidence, but she started falling sick because of that particular incidence which happened with her or in her family. Left-sided is principally affected in Lachesis. Diseases, they begin on left side and goes towards right side. Great sensitiveness to touch, throat, chest, abdomen is very sensitive for touch, even for tight clothes. During sleep, Lachesis person do not like even the bed covers to touch their throat, or even the tight night dress. They cannot bear the tightness of their night dress also. It is not because of any inflammation or swelling or pain at throat region or on the chest or abdomen, but principally Lachesis do not like any tight clothing around neck or chest or around abdomen. It creates uneasiness and makes them nervous. Intolerance of tight band like this tie around neck or around waist. So normally Lachesis personalities, they do not wear belt on their abdomen or around the waist. That is why Lachesis personalities, they do not wear belts on their pants. Extremes of heat and cold causes a great debility in Lachesis. Drunkards with congestive headache and hemorrhoids, prone to erysipelas or apoplexy. All symptoms of Lachesis, especially mental symptoms of Lachesis, are aggravated after sleep at night, or the aggravation wakes him from the sleep. Lachesis always sleeps into aggravation. So on morning, on waking, he is unhappy, distressed, anxious and sad. Please remember, this sadness on waking up in the morning is a very important symptom of Lachesis. You will come across many such patients who feel sad in the morning after waking up from the sleep. The least thing which is coming near the mouth or nose interferes with breathing of Lachesis. So they want to be fanned, but slowly and from a proper distance. As soon as he falls asleep, his breathing stops. Great physical and mental exhaustion is Lachesis. Trembling in the whole body will constantly sink down from the weakness. It is worse in the morning. Hemorrhagic diathesis. Please remember, Lachesis bleeds a lot. Small wounds bleeds profusely. Blood is dark and non-coagulable. As I told you initially, Lachesis, this medicine is prepared from the poison of a surukuku snake. This is a vascular poison. So during proving also, it shows vascular issues like bleeding. It affects the clotting mechanism. The prothrombin time goes high, the bleeding time goes high. So clotting mechanism is arrested in Lachesis. It is very well indicated for poisonous wounds as well as in PPH, postpartum hemorrhage. Genitourinary system, there is a sensation of a ball rolling in the urinary bladder. Head, headache, pressing or bursting pain in the temples, which is aggravated from pressure and motion. Also, headache is aggravated by stooping or lying down or after a sleep. He dreads to go to sleep because as a Lachesis person goes to sleep, his headache shoots up more and more. There is a rush or surge of blood towards head after alcohol or after mental excitement. Suppressed or irregular menses at approach of menopause. Feeling of a weight and pressure on the vertex, like a lid is kept on the vertex or in the occiput. Respiratory system, diphtheria and tonsillitis. It begins on left side and goes to right tonsil. Dark purple appearance of fauces or of tonsils, which is aggravated by hot drinks and after sleep. Liquids are more painful than solids to swallow, with severe prostration in this septic condition of throat. Stomach and abdomen, constipation, inactivity of rectum. Stool lies in rectum for long duration without urging, and there is a sense of constriction at rectum, and there is a sensation of constriction in the sphincter. Piles with scanty menstrual flow at menopause, and it is indicated for strangulated hemorrhoids, like a group of blood vessels which protrudes from the rectum and it remains outside, what we normally call it as external hemorrhoids, with stitching and shooting pain upwards in the rectum. Central nervous system, epilepsy. Epileptic attack comes during sleep from loss of vital fluid, onanism, and because of jealousy. Female reproductive system, menses at regular interval, but they are feeble and scanty. In Lachesis female, all her pains are of the body or anywhere in the body or any organ of the body, they are relieved by menstrual flow. So Lachesis female is always better during menses. Skin, boils, carbuncles, ulcers with severe pain. Malignant pustules, diabetic foot ulcers, which are dark in color or bluish purple in appearance and tends to malignancy. Lachesis is a great remedy for non-healing ulcers, especially diabetic foot ulcers and varicose ulcers. Fever, fever which is annually returning. It appears every year, especially during spring. Lachesis is a great remedy for any kind of septic fever. Let it be typhoid, hay fever, a complicated malaria where patient is comatose and there is a muttering delirium. Sunken countenances and falling of lower jaw. Tongue is dry and black. Tongue trembles in the mouth and protruded with a bit difficulty. Conjunctiva is yellow or orange color. Perspiration is cold and it stains yellow or bloody perspiration. Please remember lachesis is a vascular poison. So in the vascular system of the body it can derange or lachesis patient you can see in ICUs mainly where there are septic shocks or septic wounds or septicemias or patient who become unconscious because of any kind of RTA, road traffic accidents or multiple injuries, stabs, whatever. So please remember lachesis in these kind of complications. So according to this symptomatology, multi-organ failure is a vital sign of lachesis, like it disturbs the lungs, then liver, then kidneys and so on. So one by one organ goes on failing their normal function. Aggravation after sleep, contact, extremes of temperature, either heat or either cold. Acids and alcohol also aggravates lachesis. Pressure or constriction causes aggravation in lachesis. Lachesis is aggravated in summer season and spring also. That's all about lachesis. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students. Thank you.